Morning, everybody. It's 8:27, and I didn't have to wait till 8:30 because manufacturing and service PMIs don't come out until 9:45. Asia and Europe both a little bit lower. China must be up a bit because the FXI is higher, so a little bit of a split market in the Far East. And stocks are pretty quiet this morning. At 8 o'clock, the Dow was showing an expected open of down 100, currently down 70. Nasdaq up 26, now up 42, and the S&P was down 4. It's now down about $1.50. Uh, we had a bunch of earnings, as I mentioned. We had a big beat by Cleveland Cliffs. Stock is 31.63. That's up 205 or 7%. Last night we had Snap with a miss, but the stock traded all over the place. My recollection is that it was as high as 33 and as low as 22.66. Right now it's trading 29.05, and that was down 57 cents. So pretty quiet there. PPG upped their guidance. The stock is 135. That's up $3.30. SAP with a miss. Stock is 102.45, down 350. Verizon also with a little bit of a miss, down just $1.11 at 53.90. And American Express, which had a beat and had closed around 186, was as high as 192 and a half, as low as 182. The last is 183.04, and that's down 270 or 1.3%. That seems to be putting a little bit of pressure on the Dow. The chart on the screen is the Japanese yen, and it is really in trouble here. To give you an idea, you can see the dramatic decline from 97.5 all the way down to 77.5 yesterday. Let's see. Yeah, this is a weekly, sorry. And the low is 77.38. To give you a little bit better idea, that's the 5-year chart. Here's the 10-year chart, which looks just, across, but nearing, going right through that support. But the 20-year chart shows a pretty dramatic drop here. And support was, again, at 80, and it held here for a nice rally. But these lower highs and then another break to the downside. And here's the really long-term chart. This is back to 1973. And you can see it had a meteoric rise over a period of 10 years, 12 years to here, 20 years to here, and has since broken down. That just gives you an idea about what this 80 cents is all about. It was the consolidation before the breakout to that high. It was support, lower high, higher low, another rally up to highs here back in 2011. And I don't know what to make of it, except to say, when you look at the dollar and you kind of wonder how we're moving up so much in the face of all of the deficit spending and the size of the debt. This is the difference. The difference is that the US dollar is against everything, a basket of currencies, and for the most part, they're down pretty hard. Okay, corn and the rest of the grains back to the upside. Oil down $1.46 on some demand questions with Shanghai and the rest of the world. Gold is down 16. through the support at 1940. We'll have to see if it bounces here. Same with silver. As I said, S&P's barely changed. The dollar up 31 cents, so that's the other side of that Jap yen trade. And the cryptos are slightly lower, down 700 and down 15, and the bonds, a little bit of a bounce. All right, everyone. Hope everyone has great plans for the weekend. And if there's anything to say, I'll be back later.